2015 Subaru Legacy. Customer states grinding from the front while braking. So I'm gonna take this apart and show you. Usually when I'm pressing the pistons, after I press it a little bit, I stick the screwdriver flathead behind the reed pad here, between it and between the rotor, and I keep pressing. That way I can press the piston all the way while it's still here. I don't have to get the brake, the piston pressed to. Saves a bit of time. These are 14s and these are 17s. So this is the inside pad. You can see completely gone. Rotor is off, and you can see this is the grinding marks. We're going to do front pads and rotors. I was able to press the caliper. I'm gonna check the other side too. See if you can see the slide pin is also moving. So I think they just roll them off. Okay, new brake pad and rotors in. Pay attention to this, how it sits. Slides over here on this metal. Focus. Alright. Now drop down the car. Customer also wanted to do brake flush. Let's do that.